Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Padai. So today our topic is related to daily English conversation dialogue for beginners. So let's get started. Who is your favorite teacher? I like Mr. Sunil the most. He is my English teacher. Is he a foreign teacher? No, he is from the India. What's he like? He is not only knowledgeable but also very friendly. What does he usually wear when coming to class? He usually wears a grey suit when he comes to class. Do you love his subject? Yes, I enjoy English a lot. Do students in your class like him? Yes, all of us admire him. Thanks for watching.